How to fix Windows 11 slow boot up time. First of all, enable the fast startup by simply pressing the Windows button and R button together and opening the Run prompt. From here, type in Control within the search bar, then tap OK or press Enter. Now tap on this search bar at top right corner. From here, type in Power. You should be able to find this power options over here. Then tap on the Change what the power buttons do. Once you tap on this option, you will find changed settings that are currently unavailable with a shield-like icon over here. You simply have to go ahead and then tap on this option, then tap on this Turn on Fast Setup or Startup option. Once you check this box, you simply have to now go ahead and tap on the Save Changes option at the bottom, and there you go. This is how you can fix Windows 11 slow boot up time. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.